You live in Metairie and you trying to get home on $4 worth of gas?
I don't know.
Wow. And
I've been, like, and God just makes it worse because she's in total disbelief that I have no contact with my family because they're abusive.
all right.
My abusive ex-husband, which she saw ignore me, trying to reach out to him in an emergency for this. And to get the money to get a gas can and for her to take me to go get gas. And then she had the leaks.
Okay, so you need
And I'm in a really bad bind.
Okay. Open the hood. All right. Because they say you're responsible for the cost. Yeah, pop your hood for me, please. No, and the notes right here say customers responsible for the cost of the fuel.
I told them I don't have any money. I fucking told them that. And they said this is covered.
No, baby. I'm gonna take. All right, I'm gonna get you some.
I've tried everything I can.
All right, I'll get you some.
I'm not in any shape or place to decline help anymore.
Okay. Stop crying. All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, try it now.
I'm sick. I'm dying with cancer, and it was just a flat out slap in the face of a reminder of that I am completely alone. There is not a soul in this world for me that cares, and it was just a really big reminder of that tonight.
Yeah, there's somebody that cares.
I'm terminal with cancer. And there's not a soul. My husband was abusive. My whole family has been abusive my entire life. They literally told me, don't come back or I'll go to jail. My own fucking blood.
Okay.
The only person I consider family still is my stepbrother. My mom's widower is the only person in my family, and they're not even blood that still contacts me.
All right, no problem. I got you. I'm gonna get you some gas.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, stop crying. It's all good.
Blessed,
I
okay,
got
love? Take care, all right?
Thank you.
you. You're welcome. I'll be
Yes,
there in
ma'am.
about
Have a good
45
night.
minutes.
Okay.
Okay.